Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your rent paid. Yes, in the CARES Act 2 and the new Stimulus Bill 2, I'm going to show you what are the steps that you need to take in order to get your rent paid. Yes, this is also known as Stimulus Rental Assistance. So please watch this video till the end because I am going to tell you most of the states program in this video, so please find yours and do it as soon as possible if you have past due rent, or at the same time if your current rent is due. You can also use these funds to pay your utilities such as your electricity as well as your water bill and other sort of utility bills. So please watch this video till the end and give this video a big thumbs up. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So yes, right here is an amazing opportunity right in front of you, and we are starting with the state of Florida. Yes, right here, this is for the Miami-Dade County. Remember that I'm going to tell you most of the state's rental program in this video, so please watch this video till the end if this is not your state or your county. So right here, as you can see, that it is Emergency Assistance Rental Program, and also known as ERAP, and of course you can get it pretty easily if you follow some of the eligibility criteria, and you can say if you fulfill some of the eligibility criteria. So they give you a total of $5,000 total of assistance, which will allow you to pay your rent and utilities as well. Yes, you must be a Miami-Dade County resident. At the same time, you need to show that you're unable to pay your full rent as a result of pandemic and it caused the financial hardships. So of course, if you are away from your job or from your work even for a month, of course your budget is affected, so you can easily show them the requirements. So your current household income must not exceed 120% of the annual area median income, known as AMI for Miami-Dade County. If you're only 1%, then your maximum AMI should be $76,800, means your maximum income should be $76,800, and if you are over that, then you will not be eligible for it. 2 people 87, 3 people 98, 4 people 109, 5 118, 6 127, and of course 7 136, and the last one is 8 144. So these are the maximum number of people who can live in your household. So the maximum that you can get, of course, is $5,000, and it totally depends on your household income. Now, they do require the tenant documentation. Of course, you will be required to show them the proof of financially impact by the pandemic. Of course, your layoff letter, unemployment claims if you're receiving unemployment right now, your current lease program, or you can say your current lease page from your landlord, your government issued ID, and at the same time your proof of current income. So these are the things that you need to show them. I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description. You can go there, click on it, and apply for it as soon as possible. This is a massive opportunity. They have application in English, Spanish, and some other language right here, so you pretty much know about it. Right now, let's go towards the second one, and this is also a most interesting one. So right here we are now going to review the program for New York State. Yes, this is for the state, and of course you can get it. You know, like, of course there were some previous applications for this grant as well, or you can say for the rental assistance program. A lot of people actually applied for it watching the Credit Vitals video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe right now, because we do review these sort of opportunities with frequent time intervals. So please subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Okay, so for the next round of applicants, tenant will have to meet all the following criteria. Of course, must be a renter and have a primary residence in New York State. This is for the whole state, so I'm just telling you, just not for the New York City, it's for the whole state. So watch this video till the end, because this is the second state and I'm going to review the rental assistance program of other states as well in this video. So please watch this video till the end, and this is not your state, then you can skip forward and then you can see your state. So right here, applicants must have lost income during the period of April 1st 2020 to July 31st 2020. Before March 7 2020, household income must have been or at below 80% of the area median income. So you gotta see that. Of course, you can just go there and click on the link in the video's description so you can check your household area median income. Of course, household must be rent burdened during the months they are applying for assistance between April 1st to July 31st. Keep that in mind. Now you can do it till 31st of December as well, until January 1st, that you can see right here. So the call center will be closed for these days, so don't worry about it. The application is right here, you can do that. When it comes to this July 31st, now consider it December 31st because of the new stimulus bill, so keep that in mind. Now let's go and review the next state and rental assistance program. So right here, this is for Sacramento, California. Of course, this is for you. Right here, the applications period is open on October 9th and it has been closed on 29th, but don't worry about it. They are going to reopen it on January 6th if I'm not wrong. But please do check this website. I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description. You will be eligible for it because, you know, like there's a massive funds allocated for the rental assistance program, so it is coming. So make sure you'll be the first one to apply for it, and it is definitely coming during this week. So the reason I'm showing you right here this one, because last time as well, what happened when the people applied for it, and when we reviewed it, by the way, on Credit Viral channel, people applied for it and, you know, the funds were exhausted. So please keep checking. If you live in Sacramento, California, this is a massive opportunity for you guys. Now let's go towards the next one. Okay, now the state of Indiana. This is one really good opportunity for you. The applications are already open. As you can see, they've been updated on December 7th. So of course, it is known as the Hope of Evansville. So you can do that in order to eligible for it, or in order to get the rental assistance, you have to live within the limits of Evansville city limits. At the same time, have an annual household income or at below 80% of the area median income. You can see your and check your median income by just writing on Google the median income of Evansville, and you will get to know that. Be currently behind on housing or utility account payment with the list of an account holder. As I already told you, that you can definitely apply for it even if you are back or behind on your utilities as well. Have experience in economic hardship, loss or reduction of income due to pandemic, and financial assistance based on eligibility and need. The assistance require documentation and of course can take up to 3 to 5 weeks to process after all information is enclosed. So now let's go and see the next one, but keep that in mind that they are open right now, so you can go there and click on it. I'm going to paste the link below of the application right in the video's description. You can go there, click on it and apply for it as soon as possible. So now the state of Texas, and this is known as Dallas Rental Assistance Collaborative or Dallas Rental Assistance Program. You can get it. It's pretty easy actually. Texas has one of the most easy, or you can say one of the most accessible rental assistance program right here. Of course, you have to make less than 80% in the Dallas area median household, and right here they've actually showed it as 48,300 for individual. Not have received CARES Act housing assistance from another collaborative agency, partner, city or county. Not be on a voucher program, living in HUD or hood, or living in a relative's home. So keep that in mind. These are some sort of requirements, but believe me, Dallas, and especially when it comes to Texas, is one of the easiest rental assistance program that I've actually encountered and reviewed. As you know that on Credit Wall channel we frequently review these rental assistance programs and small business loans and credit cards, personal loans. So if you're interested in those things, please subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. It really helps the channel. And of course you need to require, or they need to see your proof of job, income loss, or temporary or permanent, whatever your job loss is, and of course reduction in work hours or income, and increased healthcare and household expenses that attributed to insufficient funds for housing. Each of the Dallas rental assistance collaborative partners have links to their requirements and pre-screen application below. So of course I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description. You can definitely go there, click on it, and see either you're eligible or not, but do apply for it. Last time the funds were exhausted, I believe in few days, like probably around 4 to 5 days, so make sure you'll be the first one to apply. Now let's go towards the other one. So now Chicago, I receive a lot of comments, messages, and email that is there any program for the people of Chicago? Yes, you do have a rental assistance program known as RAP, right? And in order to be eligible, of course, the payment of future rent or the rent arrears to prevention eviction, of course, they definitely do that. The requirement is pretty much the same. If you live in the city of Chicago, you are at risk of becoming homeless due to eviction, loss of income, or other emergency. You're economically classified as low income household. Your landlord completes the RAP requirements. Of course, there are some sort of things that they actually differ. They do require your landlord agreement from him directly, so keep that in mind. For the people of Chicago, you can actually take benefit from it, and if you're past due on your current rent or previous rent, then you can definitely use this opportunity to pay your rent. Now let's go towards the other one. Remember that the link is in video's description. You can always go there by coming to this website and click right here on apply now. Now let's go towards the other one. So this one is again for Texas, and this one is for city of San Antonio. So of course this is pretty easy. The requirements are the same as Dallas, so I'm not gonna stretch the video a lot by telling you all the requirements right here, but like this is pretty easy, so keep that in mind. If you live in the city limits of San Antonio, pretty much you will be guaranteed to get that. And if you make less than $48,000 as an individual, and of course with someone, so you can add like $15,000 for each individual. So I'm going to paste the link below in the video description. If you are not going to see the application, or the applications are not open, the reason that I am actually showing you this, because in stimulus bill 2 they have already allocated the funds for rental assistance program. So if you cannot see the application right now, please keep checking it. I'm giving you the links. You can go there and click on it and apply. If you don't see the applications, just wait for it, be patient, but do it as soon as possible. Just check this website at least 2 or 3 times a day, and when you see that there's the application link is open, then you can go there and click on it and apply as soon as possible, because last time it happened as well that funds were exhausted like right away. But now let's go and see the other one. So this one is for Nevada. Of course, for Nevada this is pretty easy as well, one of the easiest ones, just like Texas. Of course, if you've been impacted by the pandemic, you have a loss of income, reduction in work hours, you can definitely apply for it. And households with liquid resources less than $3,000. So for the state of Nevada, I would like to say that it's for the people who were really hard hit with this pandemic, or you can say who are like living in a very poorly managed area. So you can definitely apply for it, and this is a massive opportunity for them. And if you know anyone, please share this opportunity with them. It really helps them. I'm afraid to say that this is something that is not available for the whole Nevada, but like I believe if you think that you are really badly impacted with this pandemic, then this is an opportunity for you. Now I'm going to tell you that again that the link is in the description. You can go there and click on it and apply for it. Now let's go and see the other opportunity. So this one is city of Tucson. Yes, people of Arizona, this is an opportunity for you. Of course, they've been doing a lot for the people out there. Of course, remember, as I'm going to tell you again, the application right now for this one is closed, but they are going to open it soon. The funds for the rental assistance program has already been allocated and already been given to the city of Texas as well. So please keep that in mind, that they will open this very soon. Keep checking it at least 2 to 3 times a day. When you see the application link, go there and apply right away. This is going to be a great opportunity for you. This is also one of the easiest program, so I believe you'll pretty easily get it. So now let's go and see the other one. Louisiana, yes, I get a lot of comments, emails from the people of Louisiana. Yes, you do have an opportunity right here, and actually your eligibility criteria on your website is pretty nice as well. They have actually underlined everything. If you're one person, and of course you make $13,500 a year, 2% 15,000. So you can actually do that by see each and every eligibility right here, and then you can apply for it. This is also one of the easiest one right here, and you can apply for pretty easily, and the application is open right now, so please keep that in mind. You can apply for it. Now let's go and see the last one and the other one. Now let's go and see the other one. So yes, it's for Houstonians. Yes, for the people of Houston, you do have a rental assistance program, and you guys get a lot of money, right? And your eligibility criteria is pretty simple as well, though, and it's pretty widely accepted, because like, as you can see, that it's only 44,500. So if you make pretty good money as an individual, you can still get this grant. This is an awesome opportunity for a lot of people out there, so you can do that. If you are having a household member around 8, then you can get around $83,250. That's what you can show your earning, and then of course you will be eligible for the rental assistance program. They do helped a lot of people in the last stimulus bill, as I know. This is a massive opportunity. Please, please, please don't let it go. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow, and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.